How to use Espoma Organic Flower-tone, a natural fertilizer and bloom booster for annuals and perennials in garden beds or hanging baskets, like black-eyed Susans, marigolds, and peonies. When planting new flowers, mix into the soil before planting. Mix Flower-tone at the top 4 to 5 inches of soil at the rate of 4 pounds per 80 square feet. Plant seeds to their recommended depth, then fill the hole with the soil you've just prepared. If planting from a container, gently spread the roots into the prepared hole and refill the hole with the prepared soil. If adding to existing plants, feed once a month during the growing season. For individual flowers, add a half a cup of Flower-tone around the plant. To prepare the soil for potted plants, before planting, add 2 cups of Flower-tone per cubic foot of soil. Mix thoroughly. To feed potted plants, sprinkle 1.5 teaspoons of Flower-tone for every 4 inches of pot diameter into the soil around the outer edge of the pot. Water in thoroughly. Repeat monthly. Espoma. Organic from the beginning.